Welcome to this detailed tutorial on how to ungroup elements in WordPress. In this walkthrough, we will guide you through each action in a clear and straightforward manner so that by the end you can easily manage grouped content on your WordPress site. Let us begin by opening your preferred browser and navigating to the WordPress website. Once the page loads, you will notice various options on the screen. Next, direct your attention to the top right corner where you will find the login option. By clicking on this, you initiate the process required to access your WordPress account. After clicking on the login button, a new set of options will appear. You should see an option labeled Continue with Google. Select this option and then choose the appropriate Google account you use to sign in. This step leverages your existing Google credentials for a quicker login process, making it both secure and user-friendly. After successfully logging in, the next phase involves accessing the site editor. Look for the quick links section on your dashboard and locate the Edit Site option. Clicking on Edit Site will take you to the editor interface where you can modify the layout and structure of your website. When the editor loads, you will notice a set of panels that offer a variety of customization tools. Once in the site editor, shift your focus to the top left corner of the interface where you see the document overview panel. This section provides an at-a-glance view of all the elements on your page. It is an essential feature when you want to quickly identify and manage different parts of your site layout. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the document overview before proceeding further. Within this same panel, you will now be able to interact with grouped elements. Find and click on the group item. This action is necessary because the group contains the individual components that you may want to modify separately. After selecting the group, additional options become available. A set of three dots will appear, often referred to as a menu or more options button. Click on these three dots to reveal a drop-down menu that holds additional commands related to the group functionality. This is your gateway to ungrouping the elements. Once the drop-down menu is open, locate and click on the Ungroup option. This crucial step breaks apart the group so that the individual elements can be edited independently. After clicking Ungroup, the elements previously included in the group will be separated and become fully accessible within the editor. This change allows you to move, edit, or style each component with finer control over your web page design. Throughout this process, it is helpful to note that each action builds on the previous one. Starting at the home page, logging in with your Google account, accessing the site editor, and finally ungrouping the selected elements are sequential steps designed to ensure you can handle your website's content with ease. Remember to work carefully within the document overview as it provides a comprehensive map of your site structure. You are now equipped with the knowledge to ungroup content in WordPress with confidence. Thanks for following this guide and happy editing on WordPress.